We are officially going to the farm. Yo, guys, I haven't been on the farm like in ages. But let's go and enjoy the weekend. So come along. It's my YouTube vlog. Moet je record? Je kan dus hard. Jezus, dit is jal. Is sal. Yo. Voel dus spaghetti. Oh, sorry. Don't touch a white woman's hair.
Please don't. Fucking damn it.
Hey, gaan post dit goed op YouTube. We are on the farm. Okay, so we just arrived. It's like afternoon and it's just the three of us, me, my grandmother, my boyfriend, and my sister. Her friend came from Walvis Bay today, so she called up my grandmother saying no, she's gonna come to drop the kids off and then she's gonna head back because she wants to enjoy her weekend. So by the time they come, it will be like six-ish, yeah. But I'll see you guys tomorrow because I want to enjoy my Friday. Good morning, guys. Yo. Last night I think I slept like past 12 and I woke up like past 8 today. But my eyes. Kom lagi, kom say hello. Huh? Come say good morning. Say morning. Say good morning. Huh? Morning. Say hi YouTube. Nah, monitor aqui. Okay, kom. Mami gaan maak vir haar koffie, né? Né? Die koffietjies. En Joaquin pap. Mami, die pap gaan maak. Hoe kom jy? Jy moes eet laat jy groot trek. Let's go make some coffee. I haven't even made my bed yet. Wow. But let's go make some coffee first because I need that first. Ja, jou stoel is daar so. Jy verkry nie beste gaan wys. Is die kaart wat? Die kaart is wat? grandmother name has been asking sweets ever since we came. But as always, her sweets are under her pillow. I honestly forgot to film on Sunday, so this is basically the last of my vlog for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and there will definitely be more content soon. Do subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys soon.